G'day, good morning. Welcome back to India, welcome back to the channel. This is a follow-up video on bear fractals. I just did a tutorial video on bull fractals, so I just wanted to quickly run through how I trade and how you can potentially use fractals to figure out what the trend is doing and where the ranges are, etc. So this is a Bitstamp 1 day Bitcoin US dollar chart, and I've marked the ranges of 13,800 down to $9,000 levels. So this is the distribution range that we're in the middle of last year. Yeah, so I just want to quickly go through. I'll put the previous fractal tutorial in the description box below, and yeah, we'll just quickly go through this. I'm not saying I traded like this, but when you go back and look at hindsight, it can definitely crystallize or verify or make things a whole lot clearer in how fractals work and how you potentially can trade them in the future and how you see things in the marketplace. So yeah, I've marked this range, and this range is about to break to the downside. And I've marked some future fractals and stuff on here. So the definition of a bear trend is that we respect the bull fractals and we don't break them. So you can see we're respecting this fractal, price range never violated that area, it never violated this fractal, it never violated this fractal. And I'll just paint this one on as well. It never violated this fractal. But you can see, whoops. You can see that we've broken this bull fractal here. We've got like a double fractal here in that candle, and if we draw this one on, there's 1-2 bars closed beneath it. We'll go forward in time. And you can see that we've broken that one there as well. So yeah, this bull fractal is like the market's going down. It's pretty clear. This bull fractal, let me just zoom in and really, so we can really see what's going on here. So yeah, this bull fractal, price action isn't going past it. It's not violating it. Price action isn't violating this one. This previous bull fractal, it got violated on this daily close. Then price moves back up. And here's, I'll delete this old bull fractal. Here's another fractal that you can see 1-2 days. You've got another confirmation that we're breaking this bull fractal. And then you get this sell-off, right? So you can see from this previous fractal 1-2. So I'm not saying I did this, and hindsight's definitely on my side, obviously, making a future in the past. You've got the confirmation 1 day, 2 day, we've broken this level, so perhaps you could have had your stop a little bit above this bull fractal here at say 10,400, and you could have entered a short on this close here, not on that candle, that candle. So yeah, approximately you could have went short around the $10,000 area, and then we did move to the downside. So you can see that, yeah, given this example, price isn't violating these bull fractals on the way down. It keeps on breaking these bear fractals, which is the very definition of the trend and how you could potentially use fractals to be profitable in the market. So I'll just press play, and you can see this candle here, even it's 2 bar confirmation over this bigger fractal, bear fractal area there. So yeah, I'll potentially make some more fractal videos and stuff in the future. I just thought I'd make this quick one as a follow-up to the previous fractal video I made. So yeah, I'll add that in the description. Hopefully you found this content helpful and useful, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.